So this Mustang was handed down to my customer, my current customer, but it's been in the family almost to the point where it was brand new. The word restoration applies, but only for the things that we're doing. And that restoration is a dependability restoration. So starting with, we're working on his motor. We pulled the motor out of this car. We didn't overhaul this motor, but we checked everything on it. We checked the bearings, we dropped the oil pan, we put an oil pump in it, we put a new water pump in it, we're putting a new intake manifold in it, and you can see that we have cleaned it thoroughly, and we've taped it off, and we're getting ready to paint this motor so it'll look brand new. All the seals and gaskets have been replaced because it was leaking oil everywhere. So that's one thing that we're doing. We're also working on the brakes. We're going to redo all the brakes on this car so that it stops and stops well. The other thing that's really difficult on these Mach 1 Mustangs is putting in air conditioning. We are actually building it in so that, and you can see that the dash is apart, but we're putting air vents inside the dash so this thing looks, and you can see that air vent right there and right over there. That's factory, and you can't get that unless you work at it. So we take that dash out, cut holes, put that vent in there, and the center vent, which is almost impossible to replace, we've found, and this is going to look factory when we're done. And then we are working under the hood. We're doing some electrical work, some cooling system work, and some steering work. So this car will be in good shape when we give it back to it.